Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mahaylah here. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that like because you know this video is going to be pretty good. I'm getting ready to make dinner now. It's about 2 o'clock, but I am doing a crock pot thing and it takes 3.5 hours. So I'm going to get started on it now, so it'll be about done when my husband gets home. So I'm going to do a little cook with me and show you. This is the first time that I've made it also. So let's see how this goes. I hope it tastes really good because it's going to be really disappointing if it doesn't taste good at all. So one of the ingredients is a rotisserie chicken. So I'm going to heat it up in the oven. And it says 325. Excuse my dirty oven and my dirty screen. Yeah, I haven't cleaned it in a while. So let's do bake 325. There we go. Of course, my crock pot is all the way at the top of the cabinet. So these are all the ingredients you'll need. A cup of water, a can of cream of chicken, 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese. I don't know how to pronounce this. I think it's panini, but my husband says penne, so comment down below on how to say it. And then some ranch seasoning, mild cheddar, already cooked bacon. I was trying to find the Oscar Mayer one, but they didn't have any in the little pieces, and it wasn't already fully cooked, so I couldn't find those. And then chicken broth is all that you'll need in your crock pot. I just put the chicken in for 10 minutes to heat it up so I can shred the chicken. All right, I am going to cut up the Velveeta cheese in little pieces. Okay, so far what I've done, I guess I didn't hit record. So far I have cut up the Velveeta cheese and I took the chicken out. I'm gonna let it cool down. So right now I am going to do the chicken broth. And I couldn't find, at the store, at the commissary, there wasn't any of the already made ones. So I had to get the packaged kind. So what you have to do is you pour 1 pouch into 2 cups of warm water and stir, ready in seconds. So I am gonna do that last because I don't wanna mess anything up. I know that probably doesn't make sense or anything, but I'm just gonna wait. But while that is cooling down, I am going to try to figure out how to put these in pieces. I have a little shredder thing, but I don't know if that will work. We can try it. So I'm gonna try to put it in a shredder and let's see how it goes. Oh, it shredded it really good. Look at that. It shredded it just like I needed it. Sweet, okay. I love this little thing. I've used it like 3 or 4 times, but it's awesome whenever I use it. Okay. Let's just put the rest of this bacon in. I'm telling you guys, if you ever need to shred anything, get this. It is a Ninja, that's what it's called. It's a Ninja little thing and it's so neat. So there's your bacon. It looks really good actually. It smells delicious. Also, another thing that I love about this cutting board is my mother-in-law, my dad-in-law, or father-in-law got me this. He cut it so it if like I'm cutting anything that has juices in it, it'll go straight down in there and it doesn't fall off of the cutting board. I've seen people where they shred it with a fork. Yeah, that's how I do it. Paper plates are the best, y'all. Like you don't have to do any dishes.
of the violet breeze. All things moving closer to the rhythm of the violet breeze. Violet breeze. Violet breeze. To the rhythm of the violet breeze. To the rhythm of the violet breeze.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put my cream of chicken in there. Right. And then I'm gonna put my water, my cubed Velveeta, my ranch seasoning, which I'm gonna just have to guesstimate because we're only supposed to put an ounce in this, and there's 3 ounces in this, so I don't know how much of an ounce I'm supposed to put in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna guesstimate. I want to think it's maybe like this much I need to put in there, but let's see. Then I need to make my broth. Alright. I'm gonna be in there for 3.
Rhythm of the violet breeze.
Alright, and then I'll check back with you in 3 hours. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. And then 3 hours later, we're gonna put the noodles in, and then we're gonna mix it. I honestly don't think I was supposed to put that whole thing in there. Oh well. I'll see you back in 20 minutes. Okay, and then you open it up and you stir it for a good stir. And then you put it in for another 10 minutes. So then you are going to stir this really good. And then you're gonna put the cheese on top and the bacon on top. And you're gonna cook it for 10 minutes, or 5 minutes. Right, so this is what it looks like finally. The cheese is melted and everything, and it smells so good. I have my handy dandy husband right here, and we are gonna taste test this and see how it is.
Gross.
Whatever. That's really good.
That's pretty good.
All right, well, I would give this a 10. What would you rate it?
11.
11. Oh, okay. If you like this video,
Out of 100 though. 11 out of 100.
shut up. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll also put the link of the recipe in the description. See you next time.